The pride of the tribe is I, my power, inwards I, focused on a point, so out far ahead, resting forward, smoking a joint, between you and me, I then heaven sky, being in the present, painting the future, forecasted a generation, beyond setting the culture. What does all this mean to you? Knowing your path is rolling in view, the challenge to man is to follow God's plan, yet for me being spiritual mind, walking along holding his hand, I create some smoke into rings to signal my tribe to come. Dance and sing along to the vibe and produce the sweet honey for our hive. The pride of the tribe is I, my power focused inwards I, so far ahead resting still, a joint in hand heaven's will. Between you and me and the sky so high in the present, I paint the future nearby. Forecasting generations, setting the tone, creating a culture all our own. What does it mean this path you see? Rolling forward with destiny. The challenge to man, follow God's plan, yet for me I walk with his hand. I create smoke, rings in the air, signaling my tribe let them beware. Come dance and sing, feel the vibe and produce the sweet honey for our hive.